Welcome back to my channel with Sudeshna. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. Actually, if you want to start your YouTube career, but you are not starting your YouTube career because you are too camera shy, or you are not very comfortable speaking in front of camera, or maybe you are thinking that you are not looking good in front of camera. So all those reasons, because of all those reasons, if you are not starting your YouTube channel this year, then this video is going to help you. So watch till end. So I'm going to tell you about 5 option by using which even if you are too camera shy person, even you don't want to speak in front of camera, you can start your YouTube channel. So stay till the end of the video, and if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon, and also watch the earlier videos of this YouTube series where I have mentioned a lot of other things like how to start, how to research on the content, how to set your YouTube pages, how to name your channel. So all those things I have already covered in the past 2-3 videos. Please go and watch those if you are interested to start your YouTube channel this year. So without wasting much time, let's start. The first option can be cooking videos. So in your cooking channel, there is no need to show your face, or show even you need not to speak also. So that's totally depends on you. So in this way you can start your channel, but it actually depends that whether you are really interested to show the cooking or not. So if you are not interested, then don't start cooking, and stay tuned to the other option. The second option can be exercise video. So exercise videos are also there are options like you can show you are doing exercises, but there are also options which I will show you just now, that you can create a YouTube channel where you will show not only you are doing exercise, but the other animation pictures where people are doing exercise. So I will just show you. If you see these type of exercises,
Warm up.
so if
Up
you see
next.
these type of exercises, these are kind of animation. So here you can
Three,
show the exercises,
4,
as well as you need not
5,
to show yourself, or you even if you are not very comfortable of speaking, you can use some AI enabled text to speech software. For example, Speechello is a good software. I have tried using, but then I didn't like it much. I thought my voice is not that bad, so I can use my voice instead of using Speechello. But if you are not very comfortable with your voice, so you can do is you can just write it down whatever you want that AI to speak, and that's kind of a new technology. So you will not feel even that that's a machine is speaking. Now you will ask me, Sudeshna, how I will make this animation video. So there is one website and software called Blender. I'll just show you. So this is the software where you actually, if you just see, there will be a lot of videos in YouTube also, tutorial videos. So if you really interested to learn all those things, so you can, that's a free software. So you can download that software and you can learn how to do all those animation. It's little easier than the other software. The third option is art and craft. So there are so many art and craft channel, you might have noticed also. They are showing art and craft. They are showing art and craft with only their hand. So I'll just give an example also. You can also go and see. So you can see the example of this. They are only using your hand. You can show lots of art and craft, but it again depends that if you are interested in art and craft, then in this way you can start your YouTube channel without even showing your face, or even without speaking also. So that's one option. The fourth option, please stay tuned till the fifth option, because the fifth option is the most interesting option I'm going to tell you. So the fourth option is making doodle videos. So nowadays making doodle videos are not very difficult, because they again they have brought a lot of AI things, and so they I mean the software also day by day it's becoming easy to use. So and now I think they all those softwares are giving heavy discount also, like instead of monthly price, now I think Doodly you can get it at the like $67 for the lifetime. So I have got one Doodle software only $49. So In this way you can see that whether Doodly is working fine with you. But so for which kind of video Doodly works better? So some kind of explanation video. Suppose you are a teacher, or you are explaining something, or you are giving a book review, or maybe you are giving some kind of self-help type of topic. So there Doodle videos works very good. The number 5th option is very good. It actually takes very less time to create videos, but again it needs some kind of investment. So if you are just starting, then this option actually would be little costly for you. But at the same time, suppose you are earning good amount from your day job, and you want to start your YouTube channel so that without investing much of your time, you can invest little bit. Like this software I'm telling you, that needs $35 per month of investment. So if you can afford that investment, then this software actually, it doesn't need much of your time to create an awesome video. I will just show you what is that software. So it is a web based software, and it doesn't need any software to install, and they have huge database of images, stock stock images, stock videos, stock musics. So in that way they actually create a very good video within a minute. So this is the software, and I'm not using it. I'm using it the trial version just to see. So the first thing you have to choose that some kind of what should be the format. So they have landscape 16:9 format, they have square format, they have vertical format. Once you choose the format, then you have to actually write down the script. So here whatever is your script, you write it down. For writing also, if you do your research part, script is already ready, then you just copy and paste that script. Then it will directly go to the scene, and it will create the scene out of your script. So you need not to invest any time creating all those photos, all those musics, all those audios. It even provide, if you have the paid version, then it will offer you the voice also. So just you can see that they are giving all those. So out of my, I'll just give you the preview. So your video is ready. You can see how easy it is, and that's a 1-minute video. You can make a this actually I have selected the square shape, so this can be used for your Instagram if it is a short video. I mean, so any type of video you can create, and you can create video and start creating the impact. So this is how. So this is so easy. So these are 5 options which you can try if you are really camera shy person, and you just because you are a camera shy person and you don't want to face the camera, you are actually postponing your YouTube journey. So but if you ask me, the best way is facing the camera. So anyway, if you want to face your fear, you want to overcome your fear, then I want to help you. Again, I am telling you that if you want to overcome your fear of facing the camera, please join my 30 days challenge. I will help you, and in 30 days you can start your YouTube journey with your face and your voice, and that's the best option to do, because the way people connect when you talk directly to your viewers, it's not possible for all those options I have told. But again, version 1 is better than version 0. So if you just want to start with any of these 5 options. Let me know how did you find this video, and with that, let me end the. It's too hot, and I am switching off the fan because of this recording. So I'm switching it on the fan, and stay healthy. Bye bye.